What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are working on the 240 and we are in full drift prep mode because we do have an event that we're trying to hit in about 2 weeks up at Thunder Hills. So we're just getting the car ready. I do have a lot of front suspension things that I need to put in, so that's what we're going to be working on. I did put in that GK Tech, the RCC piece, but unfortunately it makes the wheel stick out way too much. So we do have a solution that we're gonna try, so we'll see how that kind of goes. But yeah, today is drift prep day.
So what are we doing today?
So today we have a couple of things that we're going to be changing out. So we do have some new rotors. These are from R1 Concepts, and they also came with some brake pads. We do have that GK Tech caster arm over there.
All the high clearance, yeah, this is for your angle.
And then we're going to be putting the stock lower control arm back in. I already replaced the ball joints the other day, so those are good to go back in. And then we have a new knuckle that we're going to be putting in, and that should be it.
Yeah.
So we're switching it up because I didn't really take into consideration adding the GK Tech RCC kit when we were rebuilding these wheels. So now it sticks out way too much. It's about a couple of inches too wide.
Yeah, it's like super aggressive now. If you look, it's sticking out. Now it is supposed to stick out a little bit for the rim, but it's mainly this point right here to here is what I'm worried about for the fender. So hopefully adding on the other parts and switching them out will bring the tire in a bunch.
Yeah, because I don't want to mess these fenders up.
Yeah, heck no. Essentially everything needs to come off on this front end, so I think I'll just start by, main thing I will do is take the hub off right now, because it might be hard to take that thing off when the knuckle's off the car. I think getting that 1/2 inch impact was like a really good choice.
I know, because when we were getting it, I was like, are you sure you want to get a 1/2 inch? We're not even going to use it. I've been using it so much.
Yeah. There's a washer in there. So we're gonna be running a cast knuckle from Godspeed, but essentially it's just a cut knuckle that you would do on like your basic 240 setup. So pretty much it's the same setup that I'm running in my car as well, but we went ahead and bought this one already cut because we're on a short time frame. We're gonna go drifting in about a week, so we don't really have time to wait for parts, and we need to make sure this car can do its thing before we even get to the track and not wait till last minute like we did last time. So this is the new knuckle we're gonna be putting in. It's not PBM, it's actually Godspeed. It just has zinc coating on it. But if you notice, this right here is the pickup point for the tie rod, and it's cut and it's brought in. I believe this is a full cast knuckle as well. So I wanna say it's a little stronger. It could be a lot brittler. I don't know, we're gonna test it out and see. If you notice, I had to shave off a lot of the zinc coating, especially around where the hub mounts, because I guess the zinc coating is super thick on this thing, so it wasn't allowing the hub to slide right on. Also, if you notice where the coilover mounts on the side, I had to sand off the zinc coating as well because I guess it's just really thick. I don't know. So that's pretty much the only modifications, as well as like just taking the drill bit and boring out the holes to make sure the bolts will slide in and out without getting caught on any of like the burrs and stuff from, I guess, when they casted this thing. So okay, so let's start putting the grip together. I think we should put the knuckle on the lower control arm, so that way we can do it with space, because it's hard to do it in the wheel well over there. So take that off. Your first shot is your best shot. That's just to keep the plastic stuff out of it.
It doesn't line up.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, never mind.
Critical thinking, Christine. Critical thinking, Christine.
I know why. It's because the bolts need to be adjusted. I put it in wrong.
Yeah, you did.
It flipped because I remember I put it like that the first time. Did you know I did that? I really don't want it to fly off.
It's gonna happen.
No, it's not.
Bookmark this part right here, because then we're gonna put it on the video in the future when the kit flies off.
It's not gonna fly off.
It's literally gonna fly off.
I need to figure out how I'm gonna mount the back part, my back bumper and my front bumper. I'm kind of worried about. The side skirts,
I'm not worried about it. Just like you wasn't worried about my car when you were drifting my car.
Gonna fit?
Oh, we should screw the plate in before we forget to screw that plate in.
Oh yeah.
Time out. We gotta screw the plate in. Knowing us, we're gonna totally forget about it.
And it's gonna just fall
disappear.
off.
Yeah. It's in here. This. Yeah. You need to install this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Might as well do it while it's all apart.
There.
Here. There, now we gotta screw those in, yeah. You're gonna screw the screws into with a screwdriver?
Does it not do that?
Ooh, you got screwdriver drill hands or something? How are you gonna get that in the wall?
You told me to get a screwdriver or a drill or something. So I got the screwdriver.
You got screwdriver drill hands. 2 hours later, Christine finally got the plate not welded, but screwed in. So that's what it looks like. It protects all the wires. So try to put the wheel on.
It's a little bit better. We just need to add a little bit more camber.
Yeah, or it might be good once you lower the car. Windy and cold.
It is. At least it's not rainy today.
Look at this car. This thing is nice. It's sick. So strong.
Yeah, it holds air.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. We gotta adjust the toe majorly. So much towing. Like a lot, especially on this side. I think it looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I think it looks good, and I think it's gonna look good when we.
Oh, why don't we tear it out?
Hey, let me go put the battery on.
Okay. I really think it's gonna fit. It looks like it's gonna tuck up under there when we air it out. Let me pull this jack out. Start it up. Will it start up? It's so much quieter than I remember.
It is. Yeah. Oh, so maybe the hood is low.
Maybe. Yeah, it's so much quieter than I remember. Look at this little cholo over here. Dang.
Get out of here.
Dang. Okay, your air suspension on? Yeah, it's on.
Tear it out.
Really?
Yeah.
Front? Everything? Front, that's it. Oh, did we raised it?
Yeah, we raised it.
Oh, but also there's no camber.
Yeah.
We didn't raise it, there's just no camber, right? Is that what it is?
No, we also raised it.
Oh, we raised it too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, because it's gonna fit though. You look, it's gonna fit. It's gonna tuck nicely. Maybe not as nice as my car, but you're gonna look pretty good. Yeah, let's air the car up. Give it a little bit of gas too.
All the way up?
Do the backs.
height of the airlift, we might be able to slam it. Only thing is, because this one doesn't have a lot of lift. This one only has like about 2 or 3 inches worth of lift, yeah.
Yeah, because, I guess, yeah, that's why we raised it the first time, because we didn't want it to, or the kid to rip off.
Yeah, which is inevitable. Okay. Maybe we should call it a night, because it's getting kind of dark and the car is kind of loud now that it's warmed up, so.
Yeah. Hey, let's just shut it down.
Shut it down.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. We pretty much got all the arms in that we wanted to get in today. All we have to do now is come back and kind of fine tune the specs so that way I can get the fitment that I want, and then we'll install the air struts and see how that goes and see how much lift we get with that. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. If you guys want to, head down to the website down below. We'll have t-shirts and some other goodies on there if you guys want to go ahead and pick something up. We appreciate your guys' love and support. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.